Okay, 2016 GSX-S1000 Suzuki. We've known this bike for a good few years. We sold it to the previous customer. It's always had loads and loads of servicing done, was used on a daily basis. It's done 42,600 miles, but as I say, it's been very, very well looked after. It is very clean for the mileage as well. Obviously it'll have some marks here and there, but I think you'll find it's excellent really for that sort of mileage. It's got brand new tyres on it. It's just been serviced. Lovely colour, probably the best colour scheme to get these in. Absolutely stonking to ride, really do ride well. It's got the old GSX-S1000 type engine in it. Got a nice exhaust can on it there. Got decap pipe. It's got a little tiny mark there on that trim, but nothing really, doesn't detract from the silencer. Does look nice, sounds nice. As I say, brand new tyres, brand new chain and sprockets on it. It's all been serviced. Got little short dog leg levers on there. Nice little tinted fly screen. It's got Oxford grips on it. I believe they work. I'll leave them on if they do. 42,684. Got traction control, ABS. There you have it, 2016 on a 66 plate Suzuki GSX-S1000. It's in stock now in our showroom in Maidstone, Kent. You're welcome, come and view the bike. As always, if you need delivery, finance or any further details, by all means give us a call. See you soon.